Yeah, I love you.
My dog's just chilling on the floor, then snorts and squeaks like never before. A grunt, a hoof, a sleepy snore. I laughed so hard I hit the door. What was that sound? Oh wow! Was that a bird or a broken plow? Squeak, sniff, snuffle all day long. My dog's a walking silly song. He yawns like thunder, sneezes loud, burps like a goat, and stands so proud. He hiccups mid-run, farts with grace, then acts like nothing took place. What was that sound again? He's part